Okay guys, today we're going to install the steering stabilizer. What better time than when you're doing a gear change? Hopefully this will help stabilize the larger tires. This is from Rancho and made in China. So we're going to get this on, take the other one off, get this on, and see if it improves our ride and ride quality, along with the gear change we're doing from 410 to 488. That'll give us more power. So if you like this channel, subscribe and like the video, and y'all stay tuned. We're going to get into this. Okay, so when you get this thing, it comes with limited instructions, but it does come with it. So this will fit a Jeep TJ, YJ, and XJ, a Jeep Grand Cherokee, and a GM. So pretty universal. So all them vehicles, here you go. You got some 32, 33 inch tires. This might be the fix for you. Now if you're going with 44s, you may need a little bit more than this. Okay, so to get the stabilizer off, you need, what is this tool called?
Mom, get the box.
Okay, so to get your steering stabilizer off, you need a Pitman tie rod puller. And then you have to tighten it down. I actually had to put a C-clamp on it right here to hold it because it was slipping off, to hold it together, because this one's 15 years old, or it's a 94 Jeep, so a long time. But then you just keep turning and it will pop off. You can't hammer these things off or anything like that. So, and there we go, it is off, and we're ready to install the new steering stabilizer after we do the gears. We're going to move all this out of the way and do our gears. Okay, so to assemble this, we're going to be using the TJ kit, and they say it's in this 81131. And they say you'll see there is a assembly piston rod in and pin kit as shown on polybag. So this is poly, this is our kit. So then we take, and this is our tapered in. So if you look here, place tapered in of hit into tie rod. So it'd be this one. Got to be some of the worst instructions ever. Then take locking washer, locking washer, and nut, and bolt it down. Once you have the end hand tight on, you can put this right through the hole. Stick a locking washer on it, like so. And now with the right washer in hand, slide the washer on, slide the bolt on. You want to make sure you just hand tighten this, and then you can extend it. Hopefully I can hand tighten it someday. Okay, then you just stretch this out and put it over the other hole. What'd you do with that bolt?
Where?
And then you stick the original bolt you saved in here, and you try to line it up. And once everything's lined up, you just tighten it down. Good to go. Easy peasy. Okay, to tighten your rear stabilizer up, you're going to use 11/16 and a 3/4. After the bottom's on, go ahead and tighten the top. Putting it on is much easier than taking it off. How's that?
I'm the only one that knows this.
Yes, you are.
If you all only knew what just went behind camera.
Okay, so we got the steering stabilizer in. Really helped a lot with the wobble, and that's because of the bigger tires with a worn stabilizer. We also tightened up a lot of the steering in it, and so the steering is just a lot firmer than it was. But the stabilizer, I believe, has helped due to the larger tires. Now, if you follow us, you know we've also restored a boat, or almost restored a boat. Well, we plan on getting back on the water in this summer, so y'all stay tuned for that as well, because we're going to get this Jeep, we're going to get on the trails so you can see some of that gear action, but we're also going to get on the water. Maybe we'll pull the boat with the Jeep. Nah, pull the truck. But yeah, so that's all coming up. Also check out some of our great recipes at dininginwithdanielle.com, or just go straight to chrisdoeswhat.com. Takes you to the same spot. Dining with Danielle, straight to the yummy goodness. All the great recipes. She just released one all y'all sports fans are going to love this week. So, really awesome there. And if you like our channel, subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there. Looks like this. And y'all please take care. Did I do a good job, babe? You're laughing at me.
No, I'm just watching you bob back and forth.
Bob.
I was
Bob.
ready for you to take a step and then like trip over your pants. There you go, everybody. Yep, see, now you know what happened.